The law of God is written in my heart. I know that the perfect life of the Spirit is my life, and I now permit it to radiate through my world of thought and action, to express in my physical form. As I relax my body consciously and definitely, which I am able to do by mentally relaxing and dropping all strain, I feel flowing through me a dynamic force, a great surge of living power. I feel immersed in and saturated by a vital essence of perfection, which brings me into tune with life. Because my whole being is this perfect God life, I have nothing to fear. Every person I meet recognizes the love and peace and wisdom and courage within me. Each person I meet feels our common bond, knows that we are a part of the perfect whole, harmonious centers in the great unity of life, and so has faith in me. No one could wish to harm or hurt me in any way. I too can know only love and understanding for my fellow beings. I know because I am God life, God in expression, that every circumstance I find myself in is right for me. Through my consciousness of love, which is the very essence of God life, I transform any seemingly imperfection into the perfect idea of my true self. God knows me only as a perfect idea, that perfection I now manifest. God's law is written in my heart, and I delight to do God's will.